Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WhatsApp Contact for Magento 2 plugin. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how the web store owner can implement the WhatsApp Contact within his Magento 2 stores and how the customers would be able to access the same from the web store front end. And we'll also be showing you the backend configuration that is required by the admin before making use of this particular plugin. So before we proceed further, let me give you a small gist regarding this WhatsApp Contact for Magento 2 plugin. So basically now the Magento 2 web store customers and the guests can contact and communicate with the store admin using the WhatsApp. The web store users or the customers can contact the admin by just tapping on the WhatsApp button that is present at the multiple pages of the web store, thus allowing the customers to communicate with the admin in a better and a faster way. Also, the customers will be able to quote the products and get rewards on the same via the smart communication path that is WhatsApp. Customers can quote from the product, cart, and order success pages, and apart from that, this communication allows the customers to share their details with the web store admin directly for a fast processing of the orders. And kindly note that the customer and the admin must have an active WhatsApp account before making use of this particular functionality, and the customer needs to add the WhatsApp to his web browser before he can read the WhatsApp button and can contact the web store directly. So let's get ahead and let's see how this particular functionality works at the web store front end, and thereafter we'll be showing you how the admin can configure it initially. So for that, let me take you to the web store front end first. So here I'm at the web store front end for the Magento 2 web store right now, and right now I have not logged into my account here, so I'll be showing this particular feature first as a guest. So the guests can contact the admin directly by tapping on the contact on WhatsApp link that you can see here on the header, as well as there is one more link on the footer of this particular website. Now to contact the admin, the guest needs to tap on this particular link, and this navigates them to the WhatsApp web so that they can access their WhatsApp on the web browser itself. Apart from that, the guest user can navigate directly to any of the products that are there within the web store, and they'll be able to see this particular WhatsApp button here, as you can see, with the what title that would have been set by the admin from the backend panel. So the admin has set a title for this particular WhatsApp button, like code product from the via the product page. So the guest users can tap on this so as to code for this particular product. So after tapping this up, so let me open this up first. This will redirect the guest user to the same thing, that's so as they can access their WhatsApp on this particular computer by scanning this barcode for the WhatsApp. So from the product page, the guest users can do that, and even if you add this particular product into the cart, the guest users can do the same from the cart as well. So I'll tap on the view and edit cart now. So here as well, you'll be able to see the code product via cart button here, so that the guest user can code for this particular product from the cart page. And lastly, also the guest user can do the same. They can code for that particular product from the what we see as the order success page. So let me take you to order success page, and let me show you that as well. And after this, I'll be showing you how a registered user or a customer can access the WhatsApp on the desktop and can contact with the admin. So here we'll just go ahead and we'll be entering the email address. So I'll enter the email address, I'll enter the first name, I'll be entering my last name, I'll be entering my street address, I'll be choosing my country, my zip code, I'll be choosing my state province, I'll be entering my telephone number, and lastly I'll select my shipping methods and I'll tap the next button. Alright, I'll tap the next button now. So here we are on the checkout page now, where we need to choose our payment method. Now let me place the order for this particular guest. So the order has been placed, and you can see that at this time as well, the guest user can code for this particular product from the order success page as well by tapping on this WhatsApp button that the admin has provided. That way the guest user would be able to contact the admin directly, and he'll be able to communicate with the admin regarding this product itself. So that was about how a guest user can view and can make use of these buttons so as to code for the product. We show you how a registered user would be able to do the same, and we'll be scanning the WhatsApp code that we had, and we'll be showing you how that particular user would be able to communicate with the WhatsApp from his desktop, and how he can communicate with the admin there. The web store front end, and I'll be logging in as a customer, so I'll be choosing my email address and my password, and I'll be tapping in the sign in button so as to log into my account. So logged into my account right now, and you can see that after logging in, this particular customer is also able to see the contact on WhatsApp link in the header and the footer as well. Apart from that, you can see that within the cart right now there's a code product account page WhatsApp button available that can be used by this particular customer to gain access for chatting with the or messaging the web store admin itself. So let's go to a product page. Let me open this product separately. So on this product page as well, you'll be able to see this particular code product page WhatsApp button here. So now let's do one thing. Let's try and code for this particular product, and let's chat with the admin. So for that, what I'll do is I'll tap on this code product page. So after tapping that particular button, now the user would be, or the customer would be able to see this particular page so as to use the WhatsApp on their computer. So now what the user needs to do is he needs to open the WhatsApp on his mobile device first, and after opening up the WhatsApp on the mobile device, the customer needs to tap on the three dots, or the three vertical dots first, and then on the third option, that's the WhatsApp web, the customer needs to tap on that. That brings up a scan QR code section. There the customer needs to tap on the OK button first, and then the customer needs to scan this particular code. As soon as the code is scanned, you can see that right now the customer can view his particular WhatsApp profile here. So he has his messages and different options available here on the screen right now. So we were trying to connect with the admin from the product page itself by tapping on the code product page. Similarly, we can do the same from any of the links from the header cart on contact on WhatsApp link in the header and in the footer, or within the view cart, or on the order success page as well, so as to connect our WhatsApp first with the web browser, and then we can directly message the admin with the details of our purchase. So I've tapped on this particular number that you can see here right now. So this is the admin mobile number that we can see, and tapping on that brings up this section, and here we can see the details of the product that was Oliva 1x4 zip light jacket that we were on. So that product detail has already been entered here, as you can see, with the URL as well. So from here the customer can tap on the send button to send the particular product quotation inquiry to the admin directly. So I'll tap the go button. So you can see that the product query inquiry has been sent out to the admin. Now we can see that these two icons, these two tick marks have gone blue. That means that the admin has read the particular message that we have dropped in. So we can wait for the admin to send us back any of the messages regarding this particular query that we are going to do. So I'll just type in one more query for the admin. Kindly make the price of the product low on. It's $77 here. We'll set it as 50 for 10 units. So I send the message to the admin now. Now let's wait and let's see what the admin sends when the admin sends in the message. So the admin has seen this other message as well. As you can see that the tick icons have gone blue now. So let's wait for the admin to reply back, and you can see that the admin is online right now. Alright, we have received one message from the admin now that he can make it as 50 for the 10 units, and he has asked us for the same. So we can type in our query back to the admin now. We can type in OK, good to go, and message has been disabled. And now we can see that the admin is typing back to us, and we can see that admin has typed in that alright, we can do it from his own WhatsApp messenger there. So that's how we how the registered users would be able to connect with the admin from the web store itself, from the product within the cart, and from the order success pages. And similarly, the guest users can do the same if that particular option has been enabled by the admin from the backend panel for this particular module's configuration settings. So that was much about this particular module, and I hope that it helped you out in understanding how exactly the WhatsApp Contact for Magento 2 plugin works, and how the guests and the registered users can directly contact the admin very quickly so as to send in their responses to the admin, and how the admin can respond from there. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel, and let me show you the different configuration settings that are required for this particular module to be configured. So here I'm at the backend, and I'll be logging into my admin backend panel by tapping in the sign in button. Now after you've successfully installed this particular plugin, you just need to navigate through source, then configuration, and on the configuration page under the web code block, you need to tap on the WhatsApp sharing submenu option, and that will bring up the WhatsApp sharing configuration settings here. So let me take you through each of these settings one by one, and let's see how this particular module can be easily configured. So the very first option that we have here is to enable. So choosing a yes would enable this particular functionality over the front-end web store. Otherwise, if you select this as a no, then the functionality would not be enabled, and the customers would not be able to access this particular WhatsApp messaging feature from the product within the cart, and from the order success pages, or from the header or footer links that have been enabled. And that was about the enable. After that, we have the WhatsApp number. So you need to enter the admin's WhatsApp number within this particular section here, and this number would be used to do the communication with the customer. And the telephone number format must be country code plus the number without any white spaces. So we have the country code and then the mobile number here that we have entered. After that, we have the guest communication. So the admin can make this as yes. So already we showed you how the guest would also be able to check the same. So we have set the setting as yes. So if the admin chooses this as a no, then the guest users would not be able to make use of this particular functionality from the web store front end. Then we have the option display button on product page. So basically, the admin will select this particular option as a yes to display the button on the product page, and a no to hide the same from the product page. And the admin can set the button title for the product page. So let me take you to the product page, code product via product page. So code product via product page. So you can change the button title from here. Similarly, you can set up the custom message for the product page. And then you can also choose to enable the display button on the cart page, whether you want to display the same WhatsApp button on the cart page or not. And if you choose yes, it would be displayed. You can also set up only shared custom message via cart. You can choose a yes or a no for this particular option. So basically, for this option, if the admin select this option as a yes, then only the custom message will be sent to the admin. Whereas when the customer selects a no, then the card details will be sent with the custom message. After that, we have the button title for the card page, and here the admin can set up the button title for the cart page, and the admin can also set up the custom message for the cart page, urgent regarding product inquiry, and the admin can also display button on the order success page. For that, the admin needs to choose this option as a yes, and that is display button on the order success page. The admin can set the button title for the order success page as well. And lastly, the admin can choose the custom message for the order success page, that is urgent regarding order inquiry. So this particular custom message would be sent out to the admin when the customer taps on the button, that's the WhatsApp button on the order success page. And basically the default message that we are entering here, like the custom message for the cart, custom message for the order success. Now for that, if the admin has chosen this particular option, that is only share custom message via cart page, if the admin has chosen this as a yes, then only custom messages would be sent out whenever we try and connect with the admin. Otherwise, if we choose this option as a no, then then the card details would be sent out with the custom messages. Lastly, you can tap the save configuration button at the top so as to save the configuration settings. And that was much about the configuration for the WhatsApp contact for Magento 2 plugin, and I hope it helped you out. So if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uvides.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.